Hi, good evening, guys. All of you, good evening.
Very good evening.
Yes, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, now we'll start our session. So, guys, in the previous session, I discussed about the course planning and just some futures of the Python language I discussed. Okay, just 5 minutes, guys. See here, in this course, we are going to discussing about these things, the core Python, advanced Python related, some Python modules, and then database communication we are going to discussing. So 1 hour session, 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour session we are attending, and 30 to 35 working sessions required, guys. So daily live classes you're going to get Monday to Saturday sessions there, and soft copy material you will receive from the portal, and every day our session is also recording. So 1 year accessibility is there for backup videos related. So due to your college's works or your office works, if you are missing the sessions also, backup videos you can watch it, guys, if you are buying this one. So 999 rupees, not a big cost. So just for these 35 sessions, working days, recording links, you're going to get here. So concept wise, you will get interview questions, and top interview questions we'll discuss. Some assignments I'll share. Okay, na? So now here, this batch related updates and all, if you want to get, guys, so you can join, you can click on this WhatsApp link. So you are going to get the updates. You're going to get the updates about the our session, guys. Okay, if any problem is there, you can post there in that group, and myself also will join there. That is your doubt clarification related WhatsApp group. There you can post it when you are doing practice. So errors if you are raising, if you are facing, guys, you can raise there. Okay, na? So for more information, contact numbers also are given. Click on those, contact to those numbers, you can get it. And for accessing the material or video links, guys, so here one YouTube link I'm sharing. So click on this link, later you can watch it. Copy this link, later you can watch it. How to enrolling for this free batch, and how to accessing the materials, programs, okay, whatever the class related programs we are doing, those all things you will receive, and interview questions you will receive, and video links also you will receive, guys. Okay, na? So this is about this session, guys. Okay, so here, who can learn Python, guys? So who can learn this Python? So any student with minimum computer knowledge is eligible to learn this Python, guys. Just if you are having Python computer like a laptop, if you are having, guys, directly you can join to this course. No need of any prior computer knowledge. So directly you can join, guys. All educational students nowadays, like graduation people, post graduation people, 12th standard people, all people eligible for learning this Python course. And some graduation people, guys, they're thinking like, so myself, I belongs to I belong to civil engineering, I belong to mechanical engineering, like that they're thinking. So that is not a matter. Any background, your BTech belongs to any background, no problem. Any stream, guys, it is a civil or mechanical or CSE or IT, whatever. So just if you are having interest to becoming like a software engineer, then you can join here, even though you don't have coding knowledge. So without any coding knowledge, directly you can join and you can get it. So previously, so many people from civil engineering and mechanical engineering, they learned properly Python language and its frameworks, and they got jobs, guys. Many people, they got jobs. Okay, na? So remember that one. Next, what are the free requisites? Here already said no free requisite, directly you can join. So everyday attendance I'm expecting from your side, and daily whatever I'm posting materials and the programs. So downloading and practicing is important. Okay, require laptop, guys. So here, why Python is having in the why Python is having demand in the IT industry. So this is we are discussing because of the Python future, guys, because of the Python advantages, because of the career opportunities, guys. This Python is having demand, guys. So many reasons there. One by one, we will discuss, guys. So already one point I said here, general purpose programming language. Nowadays Python is considering like a general language. By means using the Python, we are not going to developing only one kind of application. So using this, the different kind of applications we can design, guys. For example, AI related, ML related, data science related, cyber security related, DevOps required related scripting, all you can get here. So that's why for these all courses, so this Python is common thing. That's why considering like a general purpose language. Okay, no? And next, guys, here, Python is more easy to learn and write the coding, guys. More easy and simple to learn and write the logics. Simply, if you want to print a hello message, print function we are using, no need of writing like this many lines of code like other languages. So in Java, these all many lines of code is required, guys, for printing this hello message. But in Python, just one line we are writing. Print is used for printing given message, guys. That's it. But here lot of definitions you have to understand, then you are able to write it. So obviously if you are choosing this Java, making lot of burden on you, guys, so you have to put more attention for learning these all things. So more concentration you have to put it up. But with the less coding skills also, by spending less time also, you can learn this Python related, guys. Okay, now? So using Python, we can developing these several types of applications. Like these all kind of applications, we can develop it. So these all are nowadays more popular applications, guys. More popular applications. For these all applications, Python is the important one. This is a basic thing. So that's why first clearly learn about the Python language and then focus on these things. And the people who wants to becoming like a web developer, guys, then Python with the Django framework you can choose. Then you can developing the web applications. Python with the Django framework. So myself, I'm taking a lot of sessions for full stack, Python full stack batches. That time Python with the Django framework with REST APIs, guys. API development also with including front end, back end, database, and all together discussing. Okay, na? These are the different kind of applications which are developed by using Python technology. So what are the top companies? What are the top applications which are already developed using Python and its frameworks, guys? So these all are so many popular applications like Instagram application, Disqus application, YouTube, Mozilla browser, Bitbucket, Spotify, Dropbox, Pinterest application, National Geographic. These are so many popular applications there. These all using Python and it's a framework called Django developed, guys. So everyone knows about the Instagram application. So millions of people using this Instagram application. So millions of photos or videos uploading in this social media, guys. Then under those photos or the videos, billions of likes or comments we are sending, guys. There's all information required to store in the database and managing properly. So for this purpose, scalability is very, very important. Scalability means huge number of requests sending also properly response getting as okay, immediately flawlessly quickly response we are expecting. So that is using Python with Django achieved, guys. So Python and Django are both are called as scalability languages and scalability frameworks, guys. Python is a scalable language, means huge number of requests we can send and we can get the response properly without hanging and all, guys. Okay, now next discuss worldwide, guys. Every month, 500 millions of unique users using this one. 500 millions visitors using this one. So here our articles related we can share our applications related discussions we can do here the people. So averagely, guys, here average every month millions of people viewing your pages. So more page requests, page viewings coming here. So this is one of the biggest application. YouTube, everyone knows this nowadays. So YouTube application also using Python and the Django framework developed. So initial days, less audience there, guys. So every day, day by day, audience growth increasing. YouTube audience growth increasing. So if audience growth increase means a huge number of requests sending to the server and getting the response, guys. So in YouTube, guys, when you are sending for request, when you are sending any request for one video, then immediately that video is displaying, guys. So more quickly, flawlessly achieving that response, guys. Okay, so that is because of the scalability behavior. Django framework is providing scalability behavior because of it's ready to implement the solutions. Python and Django framework are providing so many ready-made solutions, guys, ready to implement solutions providing because of that So as a developer, we are not going to write more lines of code. Just we are going to reuse the existing lines of code. Okay. So many security mechanisms providing these all things automatically uh, coming along with the Python language and Django framework. So that's why these applications getting more popularity, guys. So Mozilla Firefox browser, this one Mozilla browser nowadays considered like a worldwide the second most popular browser, guys. Initial days, this one using PHP language and Cake PHP like one framework is there, PHP and Cake PHP. Using this one is developed, guys. Initial days. So that time, guys, a lot of problems are facing by this Mozilla browser. So when people sending the request for something information, so uh, accuracy response not returning and response time taking more, guys. So that's why later management of this Mozilla browser taking decision instead of Python and Cake PHP, we will use instead of PHP and Cake PHP, guys, we will use Python and Django framework. Okay, like that they decided and they implemented, guys, using this one. So later audience growth of Mozilla browser increases. So now it is becoming like a worldwide second topmost browser, guys. So this is a code hosting platform, Bitbucket. So millions of people using this one also, guys, for sharing our project repositories. Our project repositories maintaining here, who are working on these projects, connecting to these repositories, guys, and exchanging their code to each other in our offices. Spotify is one music channel, popular music application, not channel. It is a popular music application, guys, online application where we can buy the music, we can share the music, we can listen the music. So this is also using Python with Django developing. Okay, Dropbox application, Pinterest, several applications there. Okay, like this, hundreds of applications we can design it, guys, using Python and its frameworks. Okay, nowadays AI, machine learning, data science, these all getting so much popularity. So for these all things also required Python. That's why this Python is getting demanding in the industry, guys. Okay, so next, Python is a dynamically programming language. So already, guys, I said this material. So when you are following this one, you'll get all the features of the Python. Can you explain about this some Python features like asking when you are attending the interviews? Okay, then, so what are the points you are remembering? Those all you can make it. Okay, na? So here, dynamically typed means data types of the variables are determined during at runtime, guys. How we can say Python is a dynamically typed language means, so as a developer, guys, before the variable name, no need to define the data type like other languages. Okay, in Java, required data type before the variable name, but in Python, not required like that. Directly variable name equal to variable value we can write. So at runtime, memory is deciding as at runtime, data type of that variable is deciding and required memory is creating. That's why we can say it, Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Python follows the dynamic memory allocation at runtime. So which languages are following dynamic memory allocation, then called as dynamically typed programming languages. So Python is a high level language, guys. I means human readable format, we can write the coding as human readable format. For example, here simply you can see here a equal 10, b equal to 20 there. So next result equal to this a value, b value you are adding as, and then you are going to print this result. Okay, later we can do it programmatically, guys. Just see here, storing the 10 value into one variable, storing 20 value into another variable, and a value, b value, both variables value, finding addition, and then assign to variable, and that is printing. By seeing this code only, we are understanding as what is going on here. Okay, so user friendly format, human readable format we are writing in Python coding. So that's why we can consider like a high level programming language. Python is a compiled and interpreted programming language, guys. So here mainly we can focus on this one. Python is a interpreted programming language. It means first compiling and then interpreted automatically by using single command only. For compilation, one command, for interpretation, one command like not required, only just one command only. So this is my Python program, guys. This Python program, whenever I'm executing, So line by line, line after line, immediately executing guys, checking correctly there or not. If each line correctly there, immediately that line executing. Okay. So then bytecode is generating guys. Bytecode is generating. The bytecode is a zeros ones format is available like this. So now this bytecode executing at runtime and returns response. So for this entire purpose, guys, just one command only we are using. Via this format response, we are going to get it. If it is a Java, for this purpose, one command using, for this purpose, another command using guys. So this is a compilation process. This is a running related JVM process guys. But here we are using PVM process. Just source code only every time searching. Okay, is there any changes or not, any problem there or not, like searching, that is converted into bytecode, that is executing as a response. Okay, now. So remember guys, this one. This kind of languages are called as interpreted programming languages. Which languages are executing each line immediately and memory is creating, those languages are considering like a interpreted programming languages. So Java is a compiler language. Python is an interpreted language. Internally, it is compiling and then interpreting, guys. Okay, this is one benefit. So here are so many points there, guys. Python is also supporting all major databases. So for time saving, guys, so sometimes we can discuss here also all critical points are given. Okay, now so many databases supporting here there. For example, now you can see here the purely object oriented, like several things are given, guys. So point wise, you can read it. So check it. Python is also supporting all major databases. Using Python, if you want to developing one application like a Zomato, guys, for that application, database support is required. So we have several databases. Any database you can use. Using Python, any database you can use, guys. All databases are supporting. So Python with MySQL, Python with Oracle, Python is SQL Server, Python with the PostgreSQL, MongoDB, any DB you can use it. So in our session, we are going to discussing Python with MySQL database. Okay, na? So coming days we will discuss. Next, Python is a functional oriented programming language, like a C language, guys. So C language contains functions related techniques, guys. C language contains functional related techniques. So those techniques in Python also available. Using the function orientation, we can develop the logic, guys, business logics. So we have a function chapter there. We will discuss more. And next, object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. So like a C++, guys, like a C++, or the Java, guys, like C++, Java. So we have whoops principles, guys, here, like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, classes, objects, methods, concept there. By using those all things, more beautifully we can develop the application. All real world entities, okay, we can define like a blueprint, guys. Software wise, we can design and we can implement logic sum. So for that, a lot of rules and regulations there, guys. Using these OOPS principles, reusability code we are getting, security of the code we are getting, and unnecessary things we are hiding, and only necessary things we are showing to the users. So like that, several benefits we are getting. So we have a chapter for this. There we will discuss more clearly. And Python is a modular oriented programming language. So modular concept we are using as, for example, here, lot of lines there. So these all lines inside one function we are going to creating as inside one function. So I have a multiple functions with different logics, guys. These all functions inside one module we are going to create. So multiple modules we have, guys. All modules via packages we are going to representing. So these all for reusability purpose only. This module related here we can reuse. This package related all modules somewhere we can reuse it. So for this separate chapter we have, guys, there we can discuss more clearly. This all for reusability purpose only, guys. Without recreating the logic, just reusing. Because of that, lot of time we are going to save it. And it is a scripting oriented programming language, guys. Scripting oriented programming language means, so line after line immediately executing as like a Linux program. So each line immediately executing and the memory is creating in the memory allocation. Okay, wherever not required a particular memory, automatically deallocating that memory also. So memory allocations or deallocations automatically handling as. So which languages are executing each line immediately, those kind of languages we're calling like a scripting oriented programming languages. Okay, na? So like several features there, guys. So one more here, garbage collected is there. Garbage means memory allocations and deallocations automatically managing by Python itself. As a programmer, so we are not required to handle this one. Itself take caring by Python only. Okay, and Python is a cross-platform language, guys. It is also called as a portability behavior. Portability or cross-platform means, so using Python, if we are developing one application without doing any coding changes, that can be executed in Windows, Mac OS, or Linux distributions. Okay, same project in the multiple distributions we can execute, guys. Yes, yes, self-scripting, we can do it on the console only. Okay, we can execute the lines. That is a line after line executing called as scripting oriented. Like a Perl language or shell script language is there. Same like that, Python is also executing. So I said previously, yesterday, one point I said why this Python is getting more popularity means one more point you can consider. So here C language is there, guys. C language there. C language related functions topics more popularity there, guys. So C++ related whoops principles there, guys. C++ related whoops principles there. And here the shell script or Perl language is there, guys. So here the scripting oriented scripting related techniques there, guys. Some modular language there, modular techniques there. From these all languages, all popular features took and merged into the Python, guys. So these all popular language related popular features available in this Python. So using the Python like a C language, functions oriented logics we can write, like a C++ object oriented features we can use, like a Perl or shell script language, scripting oriented features we can use, like modular language, modular oriented features we can use, guys. So several languages related popular features all available in Python. So that's why this is getting more famous nowadays, guys, more popularity nowadays because of the several benefits. Because of the several benefits. Just wait, guys. Yes, guys. So next comes to here. So rich standard libraries providing is this is one of the biggest advantage. Python is providing so many free-defined modules along with the software. Whenever we are downloading and installing the Python software, along with the software, so many free-defined modules we are getting as by using those modules, we are just going to reusing logics only, not going to recreating. So as per the requirement, we are going to reusing as those all modules. So writing the less lines of code and more fastly rapid development we can do using these predefined modules, guys. Okay, for example, for web development related, for data manipulation related, for machine learning related, for cyber security related, for networking related, for gaming related, for testing related, guys. Okay, Selenium testing, automation testing, for different domain based, so many modules are provided by Python itself automatically. And also, guys, so many third party libraries there, guys. Third party libraries means along with the Python software not coming. As a developer, we are not creating. Some other developer they created and they kept in the internet. They kept in the internet. They are maintaining in the internet. So as per our requirement, we can download those libraries or modules and we can reuse it, guys. So in the internet, guys, hundreds of modules are available as per our requirement. Whatever the modules we want, those we can download and install it. So it is just a matter of 1 minute, guys, downloading and installation of the third party modules. Just 1 minute. Within 1 minute, we can download it. For example, nowadays for AI related pandas, for data science AI related, guys, pandas module, numpy module, these all we are using. For web scraping related request module, we are using. These all are third party modules. From the internet, we are downloading and installing using one special command called pip command, guys. We have a PIP, Python installer package. Like one command is there. Using this, we are going to downloading and installing. So these all things coming this we will discuss. We have a Python modules chapter. There I will discuss about the free-defined module, third-party module, our user-defined modules, how we are developing, how we are reusing free-defined modules, third-party modules. All you will get it. Okay, this is one of the biggest advantage, guys. And we can consider like Python is a free and open source language, guys. Free and open source means no need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download, guys, and we can install it. Okay, na? Yes, guys. Raju, modules are nothing but like libraries. So modules, packages or libraries all together same like consider right now. Small difference there. When we are discussing about the Python packages and module chapter, I will make it more clarification difference between them. Okay. Yes. So from the official website, guys, we have a python.org official website. From this website, we can download the Python latest version. Click on these downloads. So now here you're getting the latest version, guys. Python 3.13.3 is there. This is called major version, minor version, patch version. So these versions related at the time of downloading and installation of the Python, I will take care. Okay, na? So just you can click on here and you can install it. What are the versions used in the real time? Okay, latest version, what is the how to installing? This all you will understanding. So if you are scrolling down, guys, here all old versions also there here. Different versions there. Which version you want? That you can download and install it. How to downloading, how to installing this all, we will discuss wait some time. Okay, na? Yes. Next, this one. So coming to the, okay, here the standard libraries are third-party libraries, free-defined libraries. These all I explained, guys, right now. Free-defined libraries means along with the Python software only coming some modules. Just we are going to reusing. For example, JSON module we have, RE module we have for interacting to the regular expression, OS module we have for interacting our operating system, sys module we have, guys, for interacting the system related only. Okay, like so many module there, guys, to interact with the dates and time, guys. This calendar dates, like this calendars, dates related. If you want to handle date time module, calendar module, this all providing by Python itself automatically. Those all we can reuse it as per the requirement. So third party means in the internet available, we can download and reuse it. Okay, na? So next, databases support there, guys. So we have so many databases. We can interact to any database using Python. So already general purpose language I explained. Expressive language, guys. So Python is a expressive language. So Python can performing the complex task using a few lines of code. For example, already I said if I want to display hello world message or hello message, simply using print function we can print it. But if it is a Java C language, many lines of code we are writing. 4 5 lines of code we are writing, and those all terms we require to understand. That's why we can say it Python is an expressive language. What we want that we can express it directly. Okay, na? And Python is a GUI programming support also there, guys. Using Python, we can develop in the GUI programming related applications. For example, for that, tkinter one module is there, pyqt one module is there, guys. Okay, tkinter module, pyqt module. Using these modules along with the Python coding, so then we can develop in the GUI based application, simply called as a desktop based applications. Desktop based applications, guys, single page applications we can develop it. So if you are learning about the tkinter module, then you are able to develop in the desktop based applications. So Python related coding, guys, with the C, C++, Java, .NET, we can integrate it, guys. For that, separate modules there, the separate functionality is there. Using them, we can interact with. And Python is a versatile programming language, guys. This is one of the advantage. Python is a versatile programming language. It means using Python, different type of domain-based applications we can design. For example, see here various domains such as web development related, machine learning related, data analysis related, scientific computing related, cyber security related, gaming related, like different domain-based applications we can design. And one more best advantage is a large community is there, guys. Open source large community is there. So Python is developed by one company called as PSF, guys. This is company name PSF, Python Software Foundation. Okay, so Python is having a huge community, guys. Whenever we are developing the logics, sometimes we are facing the problems, guys. So those problems related, a lot of solutions we will get from this community people. For example, we have one Stack Overflow website, guys. So when we are facing some problems, when we are looking there in the Stack Overflow site, then so many solutions we are getting for those problems. So by seeing those solutions, we can uh, develop our code more properly. So like that, huge community people support is there, and a huge documentation also there gets a Python related. By reading the documentation, by taking the help of these community people, we can develop the applications more easily. Are you clear, guys? See, many points explain the futures related. Can you explain about the Python futures? Can you explain some Python futures like asking? So whatever you are remembering, those all you can cover it, guys. Okay. Next, see here, simply where is Python used? So Python is a general purpose popular programming language. It is used almost every technical field, guys. The the various areas of the Python given below. Data science in this using Python for developing the desktop applications using PyQt, tkinter module, we can do it, guys. For data science related NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, these all are third-party modules, guys. Okay, some are third-party modules, some are free-defined module there. Separately downloading third-party modules or directly importing free-defined modules, we're going to developing the applications. Okay, na? So console-based applications we can design. Console-based means command line applications. Mobile applications related using the Kiwi module. Software, web development related we can do it using Django framework and the Flask framework along with UI technologies, guys. Artificial intelligence related TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, like so many modules there. So using these all modules, we can developing the AI-based applications. Okay, so CAD applications we can do, machine learning applications we can do, computer vision image processing applications we can do, speech recognitions related, guys, audio speech related, video speech, video recognition related, audio recognition related, speech recognition module there using them. So we can identify speech and audio speech and video related, and we can developing the applications. So like this, guys, scientific computing we can do using NumPy, CP module, scikit-learn module, Pandas module, all. So in educational development, guys, educational tutorials also we can develop using the Python, its frameworks. Testing side also we can use the Python, guys. Gaming related applications using Pygame module we can develop it. IoT based applications using these modules. Networking based applications we can design in these all areas, guys, in finance area, in DevOps area, in writing scripts mode related area, in all the areas we can use the Python. Okay, where is Python using means these all names you can delete. So finally, guys, if you are learning the Python language as your primary skill, then more interviews you are going to get, guys. In your resume, if you are adding Python as your primary skill, then you will get it as more interview calls scheduling, and simply you can crack those interviews. And also, guys, some more job opportunities there is more interview calls coming means when you're cracking that you will get job, guys. Okay, so more career opportunities there, and you can settle in your career, guys, as a data science engineer, as a AI engineer, machine learning developer, or as a web developer, like so many roles there, guys. So in different roles you can settle if you are learning the Python, and also more packages, average packages also, guys. So more and more you will get it by putting 3+ years experience, guys. 3 to 5 years experience. So 15 to 20 lakhs you are able to get it. Okay, na? So previously my students, my Python full stack development students, by putting 3+ years experience, more than 9 lakhs up to the 15 lakhs, guys. 9 to 15 lakhs, 3+ years they kept and they got it. So the people who kept 5 years experience, 15 to 20 lakhs got it. As a fresher also, guys, 3 to 4 lakhs nowadays getting. Okay, na? So every day attendance is required, and whatever I'm teaching, do practice every day. Some people one day coming, one day not coming. Those kind of people getting problem, guys. Okay, missing the concepts. So if you are buying these backup videos, at least if your session missing, so 1 hour additional time you can spend and you can watch that video. Clear this one? All of you. So no need to discussing as again and again these all topics. These all are theoretical points only. Already in the portal I uploaded. So the people who are enrolling for this course, okay, na, for free enrolling or backup videos related enrolling, anything you can do. So those people can access these materials, do reading theoretical points. Okay, na? So now Python history related we will discuss, guys. History of the Python. So here about the Python related discussion started in the year 1980s, guys. In the year 1980, Python programming language conceived. Conceived means about that discussion started by some group of people. And later in the 1989, implementation started. Development started in the 1989 and in the 1991 released to public. 89 started, 1991 released to public, guys. So who developed, who is the father of Python programming language means, so Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum, he was the father of Python programming language. So he's a mathematical research scientist, guys. So Guido van Rossum was developed the Python programming language at Mathematical Research Institute called as CWI. This full name is Centrum Wiskunde Informatica, which is located at Netherlands country. In Netherlands, one mathematical research institute there called as CWI. So in this, this Guido van Rossum working as a mathematical research developer, guys. So this person and his friends, guys, together discussed about the new language. We have already so many languages. So in each language, different popular features there. We will take those all features and we will merge all features into one language. We can develop that. People will get a lot of benefits like that. They decided, and then they developed a development and they released it to public also in the year 1991. So here mainly you have to remember when released to public, 1991. So and author name Guido van Rossum. These 2 points important here. And next, guys, so and this Python programming language, the predecessor is ABC programming language, guys. So he wanted to create a successor to the ABC programming language that would be easy to read and efficient, guys. Already one programming language there, that name is ABC programming language. So from this, this Python is derived, guys. Predecessor means, okay, base language is ABC programming language for this Python. Understanding? So now this Python is maintained by Python Software Foundation, guys. Python Software Foundation. It was established in the year 2001. So in the year 1991 only released by Guido van Rossum. But later one organization started, guys, which named Python Software Foundation. It is a non-profitable organization. Non-profitable organization means, so openly lot of people contributing here and they are developing the new features. Those features released in new version, releasing in a new version. Okay. So some popular companies who are using this Python software like Google company, Microsoft company, okay, some MNC companies, guys, they are donating money to this organization for surviving purpose and also for developing new features for the new releases. So like that, openly it is working as okay, as a organization. I mean, open source organization. It is working. Non-profitable organization. In 2001 started, guys. Okay, now. So now different versions there. Latest. Presently, guys, Python 3 related versions people using, 3.x related versions using, 3.13 is their latest version. In 2008, 3.0 was released. So later, 0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 like that, 3.13 now going on. Okay, na? So these versions later we will discuss. Don't worry about that one. Now, this point, why our language name kept as Python? Why not other name? Why Guido van Rossum kept our language name as Python? Why not other name? So this is a one-word answer interview question asking us. Okay, na? So for that, Guido van Rossum is loving one famous BBC comedy web series, guys. One movie is there, web series movie is there. That movie name was Monty Python Circus Flying. Simply this one, guys. So here this one, Monty Python's Flying Circus. This is a movie name. Okay, BBC comedy series, famous movie name this one. So Guido Van Rossum, so liking this series, guys, continuously watching this series. So he thought like he want to kept his language name as a short name, as a unique name, and a slightly mysterious name. You want to kept. So that's why he took this name Python and kept as our language name. Okay, so sometimes multiple choice questions related asking or one word answer question also asking why Python name Guido Van Rossum kept as Python. So he was liking this movie Monty Python's Flying Circus. From that movie, he took this Python and kept as our language name. Just for knowledge, guys, these all points. For research important, these all things. Okay, no? Yes, guys, 35 working session, 30 to 35 working sessions we are planning. Okay, 7:30 to 8:30. I explained already. Again, one more time I'll explain now. Okay, now? So see here, Python programming language inspired from several languages. From the C language, functional technique, from C++ object-oriented techniques, from Perl language scripting-oriented techniques, like from different languages, different features to guys. That's why this Python is getting demanding. And when coming to the versions of the Python, we have majorly three types, guys. Python 1x version, 2x version, 3x version. So 1x version, 2x version, no one using nowadays, guys. Okay, officially Python organizationally announced don't use 1x, 2x versions for your new projects. So use Python 3x version only. So 2.7 is the last version for 2 related. So in 2020 April, this one deprecated, guys. Deprecated means officially announced don't use this one like that. Before lockdown, guys, up to okay, before lockdown, people used Python 2.7 for developing their applications. But nowadays, all the people are using Python 3x version only. So in this 3x, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, like so many versions there. So Python versions, guys, Python versions greater than or equal to 3.9, greater than or equal to 3.9 onwards, people can use Python versions for developing their applications. Okay, na? 3.9 or above versions, 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, like you can use for your development. All be clear? This one. So latest version is 3.13. Point 3, guys. So this is the major version and this is a minor version. This is called patch version. So forget about the patch version. This is not a big matter. This you can consider it. So 3.13, if we are using all latest features, latest development related all features, you will get it. Functionalities, you will get it. So as a learner, guys, we can use this latest version only. But for developing the real-time application, some standard versions, long-term support related versions people are using. So if you want understanding related to these versions related, simply here you can type, guys, Python versions, Python's versions in Wikipedia, guys. Simply Python versions in Wikipedia. Oh, simply wait here. I'm typing this one. Okay, now you can click on here, history of the Python. So go down, guys. So this person, our author, guys, Guido Van Rossum. Okay, he was our god. This person, our god, Python developer. And now go down. See, guys, here. So on table you are getting. So these all colored related versions are deprecated versions, guys. No one using officially announced don't use these versions like that. So up to 3.8 is there. Check it here. So these are the current industry versions, guys. 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, 12. These are the currently used industry versions. And this is the latest version. And this is the future releasing, guys. They are planning to release in the future. 3.14. So if you are observing, guys, here, so every year October month they are planning to release one version. every year October month they are planning to release one new version, guys. So 3/13/2024 October released. So this year 2025 October month they are planning to release a 3.14 version also. Okay, so these versions, guys, for example 313 if you are learning, so up to this year, guys, 2029 you can use it. Okay, later they can extend or they may support this one, and they can people can use this one. This year only they are planning to release now, so later people can use this 3.14. So especially if you want to put experience, guys, after learning the Python, so don't tell about the latest version. Based on your project duration, 2 years or 3 years, like people putting, so then you can use which version is required for your project requirement. Okay, by seeing these dates, guys, you can express in the interview. When you're attending interview, people are asking which version of the Python you are using for developing your application. Python 3.11 I'm using, Python 3.12 I'm using. Like based on your project duration, you can express it, guys. Clear this one? Yes. So uh, in our class, I'm going to teach about the using 3.13 version. 3.13 latest version related features we will discuss, guys. So later, whatever the version you want, you can use it. So how to get old version all? So here I given already in this site only there in the Python org. So here when you are scrolling, guys, downloads you can click. So when you are scrolling down here, so all available versions there here. Okay, all available versions there. Which version you want, that you can download and install. So here multiple teams of people developing different versions parallelly, different dates there. Which one you want, you can download it. So assumption, guys, you are downloading this one. Simply see by clicking this one, downloadable executable file is going on here. Okay, downloading is processing going, guys. So in the downloadable folder, one Python exe file is the executable file. So double click on this, guys, and you are going to installing. Okay, na? So downloading, installing the Python software is a matter of less than 10 minutes. So in my system, guys, currently I'm teaching some project batches also. So if I'm disturbing this one, those project batches are disturbing. So that's why existing Python software I'm going to use. So for you, I'll show you guys some simply screens also I will share with you. Python installation and path setup related. So many screens I created here. See, this is official website. So where you are going to downloading as okay, na? And later so go to that downloadable file location and then double click it, guys. When you are double clicking, so like this first screen is coming, guys. First screen like this coming. So here the default installation related is there and the custom installation related is there, guys. So and before that here some checkboxes there, guys. Before clicking these checkboxes there, you have to select these checkboxes. For some people, guys, one checkbox showing, or for some people two showing. So all checkboxes you can select. If you are selecting these things, guys, add Python path is there here. It means so automatically Python is where installing that path setup is automatically adding. So you are not responsible to add manually, automatically itself adding. For example, if you are forgetting this one, selecting you are forgetting as no problem. Later explicitly we can add the Python path. So this is a default installation path, guys. In this location, it is going to store it in this location. If you want any specific location, guys, custom installation, you can choose it. So in which drive you want to install, what part Python features you want to install. So many features coming. Okay, some are checked features there, some are unchecked features there. So if select, so as a initial guys, as a initial, I mean, as a beginner, so if you guys, okay, na? So simply click on here, then installation process showing, guys. If you are selecting this to customize installation, then like you for you showing these things, guys, for you showing these things, checkboxes there, documentation getting Python documentation automatically getting when we are installing the Python, pip command automatically getting when we are installing the Python. If you don't want the pip, you can unselect this one. but pip is very important for installing the Python based third party modules from the internet. Okay, so one ideally tool also you are getting as for developing the Python related coding. Ideally tool, see here, ideally tool is there. This is along with the Python software you are getting. No need to install it separately. Here Python related coding we can do it as some days we are going to use this one. Later real time IDEs we can use like a PyCharm IDE, Visual Code Studio IDE, Sublime Text, Eclipse, like so many are there. Whatever you want, you can use it. Okay, na? So simply guys, if you're selecting custom location, these all features you have to select. Otherwise, simply click on that default installation and then install button showing, click on that. So then installation process is going on like this. After completing installation done successfully coming, it's a matter of less than 10 minutes guys. It's a matter of less than 10 minutes. Downloading and installation. Or else in the internet guys, Python installation, like you can type. So many screens you will get it step by step what need to do. So this is your responsibility. Download and install guys. Okay, na? So later guys, if you want to be update again latest version, you can download it. Just try to reinstall it. Automatically it is fixing. Or else in our system guys, control panel is there. They're all installed programs there. So when we are clicking here guys, control panel, so all here the uninstall related are programs there guys. So for example here, so many there guys. Okay, if you want to uninstall, you are going to uninstalling. So here on that Python, right click and modify like coming. Okay, so when you are modifying, update related will come guys. So different techniques there, so no worries about that. Or else just uninstalling and installing, it's a matter of less than 5 minutes. Software related. And for one project, one version, for another project, another version, virtual environments, if you know, then you can create different virtual environments, guys. So one workshop I'll take for the virtual environments, how to creating, how to using in the real time. So I'll take care one workshop about that one, guys. Okay, na? So today you can do, guys, everyone, downloading, installing the Python software. So assumption, after you are downloading and installing, in this start menu, you're going to get Python console, guys. One black screen you're going to get it. This one, Python interactive console we are calling. Python interactive console. So Python prompt, guys, like this showing using triple greater than symbol. So now here Python related coding you can do. So this is just for what Python can do. Testing purpose only we can use, guys. For example, I want to print something hello message, then printing. So a equal to 10. So immediately this line executing in the memory location, memory also creating that memory referencing to this a. So now here using this a, we can access this value, guys. Okay, na? So now next guys, here type function is there. Using this type, what type of value this one we can understanding. This is a int type like we are getting. So for example, if it is a float, guys, if it is a float value, then type of b, then float type like you are getting. So every memory is having one address, guys. Random address is there, unique number is there. So that address you can access using the ID attribute, ID function. So check it here. When this line executing, so like this one memory is creating that memory maintaining this value. So this every memory is having one address, guys. Like this some number is there. So from this memory, if you want to access this value, print function we can use. In this memory, what type of value is there? If you want to know, type function we are using as int type is there. So this memory related address, if you want to access, then ID function we are using. This all repeatedly we are using as coming days. Just understand all are one word functions only. One word answer related functions. Okay, na? So now here the 10 plus 20, two numbers we can do arithmetic operation. One is number, one is a string, guys. One is a string type number, both different types. Then error is throwing type error, two different types. One is int, string like that. So basic testings we can do here. This is not suitable for developing the main codings. Multiple lines of coding development related. This is not suitable. That's why I'm not going to use this one. Close this one. Next, one more you are going to get ideally, guys. Integrated development language environment. This is also along with the Python software you are getting guys. So now here, this one also same like a triple grade and showing. So previous one black screen, this is white screen guys. So one is called interactive mode, another one is called batch mode. Batch mode. Okay, no need to know about those terms also. Simply one ideal is coming. So here also same like previous one. What Python can do. So that testings we can do it guys. Okay, na? Simple thing. So if you want to write more lines of code and at a time if you want to execute, so here so many menus there. So we can use this file menu and then we can click this one. Control N is the shortcut. New file. Now here you can write your coding guys. What are the lines you want? Those all lines you can make it here. And then this is untitled is there. You have to save it. So for example, I'm writing here the print. So hi students, hi students, like one message or welcome students. So just one line. This is untitled. I want to save it. So click on this file. Click on this save, guys. Whenever we are clicking this save, then so it is asking where you want to save it. See here by default Python software location showing. So there don't save it. These all Python software location. Don't save it. So choose one folder where you want in D drive, E drive, F drive. There you can save it, and later you can execute it, guys. So this saving execution, this all coming session. I'll take care. Don't worry. So now here first path Python software we installed, guys. Path setup we have to understand, guys. Python path is added really or not? We have to understand here. Okay. Uh, Open this command prompt, guys. Open this command prompt. So like this coming. So in my system, users, C drive users, Lenovo is there as my name. In your system, maybe your name is there. So now here, Python, like you can type, guys. Python you can type, then you're going to get like this. So if you are getting like this, Python path added successfully. That is your confirmation. Instead of this one, for some people, Python not recognized as an internal or external command. Simply Python not recognized like one error is showing. It means the Python path not added in the environment variable. That is your confirmation. Okay, na? So guys, here after adding the path, then you're getting like this. So what you want, you can do Python related coding. If you want to come back from the Python prompt to command prompt, then we have a exit method. Exit method. Then coming back to the command prompt. Using Python, we can move to the command Python prompt. Next, using the exit function, we can come back to the command prompt. See here again, I'm typing Python. So Control Z also you can use. Control Z, press enter. Again coming back. This is a shortcut. Okay. So from sometimes guys from the command prompt only we are communicating to Python and we are doing small testing. Again we are coming back to here. Remember this. So if Python is not recognized here, we have to set the path. We have to set the path in the environment variables we are setting as. Okay, na? So how to setting, that is I will show you now here. So check it here. Here guys, simply, okay. So now here, this computer is there guys. This computer is there. So right click on here, click on the properties, click on the properties. And now here, advanced system settings there. Advanced system settings there. Click on that. So now here, one tab, one window opening here, advanced tab selected. Environment variables is there. So click on this one. And now here, user variables, system variables like sections coming. So here, path variable name is there. So now here, select that. Simply double click on that, guys. So one more window opening. So now here you can see here Python path is added here. Python path related these two lines adding. So this is a Python software related location. So in this location, guys, Python dot exe, Python interpreter we are calling. This is the main file executing the Python coding related. This one is important. Are you following or not Python rules and regulations? So checking by this one called as the Python interpreter. So where this Python interpreter is there means in this location is available. So that's why this is we are adding here. Next, this one guys, pip related location, PIP, Python installer package. Okay, where is the pip is there? In this location is there. This is also we require to add. These two things if we adding, then so from the command prompt directly Python we can use and communicate into Python. And from the command prompt using this pip Python related third party modules we can install it. Later more clearly I will discuss about the pip. Don't worry guys. Okay, so at the time of installation, only checkbox is showing add Python path like that. If you are selecting that, these two lines automatically coming here. If you are not selecting this one, these lines not coming here. Then we have to add manually. How to adding manually? That is now you have to understand. So after installing the Python software, guys, in this C drive, we have a users, guys. Now here the username is there in your system. Your name is there. So go here. Now in this app data, like one folder is there, guys. This is a hidden folder. By default, this is a hidden folder. So how we are enabling this one? So based on your laptop versions, guys, Windows versions. So different people will have different places. So for me here, view is there, here hidden items there, hidden items. So by default, this is not selected. Then here app data folder is unable to see here, hidden folder. So click on this view, click on this hidden items, then it is enabling. App data folder is enabling. So go inside, here local is there. So now here so many folders there, somewhere programs there. Going inside the programs folder, now select the Python and which version you install that is showing here. Select on that. So this is the Python software location, guys. This is our Python executable file. This is our Python executable file. Okay, now. So guys, see here. Recently only I installed this latest version. Recently only. Okay. So this path here you are selecting and copying as this one. This is your copying and you are going to use here. So this one you are pasting here. So if you want to paste here, double click on here and paste here. Otherwise, simply click on here and paste here. Okay, and then click OK. So next, pip related also, if you want to. So in this same location only, guys, we have a scripts folder location. So go inside this. Now here the pip is there. This is a Python package installer. So copy this one, this folder copy, and then comes to here and paste here, guys, this one. So like that we are going to add. Now this path setup related whatever I explained, guys, so everything is available in this material, guys. So adding Python to the path, guys. Okay, how to adding this one related. So all the screens there, see directly you can also type, guys, here environment variables related. So when you are typing also you're going to get this one. Okay, na? So I explained what on the computer, right click and selecting the properties and then click on this one. So multiple ways there, guys. So here step by step I given. So environment variables you are clicking, double click on the path variable, it will open like this. So you are going to pasting here. So all these screens I given, guys. Go to reading this one, you can check it. After adding from the command prompt Python, you can type Python prompt, you're going to get like this, or else simply Python version you can check, you'll get the version. Otherwise, Python is not recognized, like error is coming. Okay, na? So after getting like this, you can do small testings, guys. And I using ideally what we can do. So that is also explained here. Okay, na? Verify Python is installed or not by checking version. You can install it. You can check it, guys. So like all the things there, virtual environments, how to creating also explained here only, but no need to learn here. If you want, you can learn, guys. So for my students separately after completing some sessions, I will take care about the virtual environment. Okay, no? So remember that and see here, this Python path related. So here there, these things we are adding into the environment variables. After installing interactive mode, batch mode we are getting. Interactive mode is nothing but that black screen, guys. Batch mode is nothing but that ideally tool. So using them, what we can do, all the things here is there. Okay, na? So this material I will upload, guys. Installation related I will upload today, and these all things related interview questions also I uploaded. So tomorrow also we have a session. We have a session, guys. Tomorrow these all questions related I will discuss, and installation related also a lot of questions I given. So ideally stands for what and all like that. So this all I will discuss, guys. First Python programming, using ideally how to saving, where to saving, how to executing, from the command prompt how to executing, this all I will explain tomorrow. So tomorrow more early we will close session. Okay, so within less time we can close it, guys. So Monday onwards you are going to get Python related main topics, guys. Python related main topics. For example, here, this content also uploaded already. Okay, na? Tomorrow I'll complete these all things. So from Monday onwards, you're going to get Python related main topics. So guys, if you want backup videos as soon as possible, make it your confirmation. So after some sessions, guys, are going to freeze these all videos. So that I'm not giving guys. Okay, na? So for my regular sessions, for full stack batches, 15,000 like charging. So that time for Python, okay. So 10 to 8K, 8 to 10K charging guys. So that's why think properly. Is it required to you or not for your career, and decide it. Clear this one? Yes, guys. So again, already I said, guys, no need to discussing every time here. So for accessing videos related, follow this YouTube link. One more time I'm sharing. Still, if anyone unable to accessing, follow this YouTube link. You will understand how to accessing the material and videos and all. And also here the WhatsApp link I'm giving. And for more information, use these numbers, guys, and they will guide you properly. So click on this WhatsApp link. You're going to join into the group. Our session related all updates, you will get it. If any link is changing, guys, you will get updates and all session related full information. Okay, na? Yeah. So I'll stop now here. If you're having any queries, please let me know. Thank you.